Before listening to this exciting episode, you should know who made this episode possible, and it's Anchor. Anchor is a podcast listening and making app, and here are some benefits of it. It's free, it has all the creation tools that will help you record and edit your podcast. It distributes your podcast to almost all the important podcast listening apps, and you can also earn money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. So download Anchor and enjoy podcasting and the interesting episode. Episode 44 Quote Saturday Quotes of Swatantra Veer Savarkar and his personality. Do you also only read the quotes and leave them by taking the word to word meaning? Then you are doing a mistake. Quotes are sentences with deep knowledge. And here is the knowledge from some of the best quote. Hello everyone, your host Brahma here on the show I Got This Today, where on every Saturday we learn from quotes of very great personalities. The quotes we are going to take today are of Swatantra Veer Savarkar, the revolutionary who was the nightmare of the Britishers. Yesterday was the birth date of the Swatantra Veer Savarkar. So I thought to tribute this great revolutionary, today let's take quote of him in our quote Saturday. Swatantra Veer Savarkar was a great revolutionary and a poet. I am personally very influenced by his quotes and poems and his all the writings. So I am here to share his quotes with the deep meaning with you. Let's start. The first quote itself is the proof of his patriotism, and it is, "O motherland, sacrifice for you is like life, and living without you is death." In this quote, Swatantra Veer Savarkar says that if you sacrifice your life for your motherland, then you have lived your life completely. But if you live your life without your motherland, then you are already died. This quote ignites the patriotism within everyone. We all have the sense of patriotism in us, and this quote defines patriotism very, very beautifully. So let's move to the second quote. In the next quote, Swatantra Veer Savarkar explains us how to deal with crisis. And the quote is, "Calmness in preparation but boldness in execution. This should be the watchword during moment of crisis." In this quote, Swatantra Veer Savarkar says that we should be calm during our preparation of crisis and should be bold and not afraid of anything when it comes to execution. And these both terms go hand in hand. If you are calm in your preparation and do the preparation well, then you are of course bold in your execution. We often plan our days and weeks in hurry, and then when it comes to execution, we fail. But these rules apply to our daily life as well as crisis. Crisis in our life we almost face every day. So prepare well and be bold. This third quote would give you his view on humanity. And the quote is, "One country, one God, one caste, one mind, brothers, all of us without difference, without doubt." As you know, India is a very, very diversified country. It has many states, many languages, many religion, caste, which discriminate people. But this quote make us one. Even if we are diversified, we live in one country, we have one God, we have one caste which is humanity. And without doubt, we all are brothers of each other. This quote is an excellent message of oneness. So now you know his thoughts on humanity are so brilliant. Now let's move to the last quote of the day, which is, "The practice of untouchability is a sin, a blot on humanity, and nothing can justify it." In this quote, Swatantra Veer Savarkar addresses the problem of racism. In past time, practice of untouchability existed in India. So these are the words of Swatantra Veer Savarkar on some of the most important topics of society. The takeaway from this episode is to rethink on our patriotism, unity, racism, and the last one is the formula during crisis and almost of every day, which is be calm in preparation and be bold in execution. I hope you learned a lot from this episode. So that's it for today, and I will take your leave. But you don't forget to follow us on all the social media handles and other podcast platforms. Also, share this episode with your friends to create awareness. Also, follow us on Discord for more fun conversations. Do leave your feedback and recommendations of which episode you want next. And you can do this all with a single link which is in the description. So go check it out. Also, there are many good books which are linked there which will help you in self-realization and growth. I am glad that you listened it. So enjoy your day and I will see you soon. Disclaimer: this podcast is based on my views and opinions. I don't mean to hurt anyone's sentiment or disrespect any group or individual.